zucchini, fettuccine, or bulgur wheat, but a big warm bun and a huge hunk of meat. I'm just a cheeseburger in paradise. Heaven on earth with an onion slice. Not too particular, not too precise. I'm just a cheeseburger in paradise. Well, you heard about the old-time sailormen. They eat the same thing again and again. Warm beer and bread, they said, could raise the dead. Well, it reminds me of a menu at a Holiday Inn. But times have changed for sailors these days. When I'm in port, I get what I need. Not just Havanas or bananas or daiquiris, but that American creation on which I feed. I'm just a cheeseburger